This is my plant watering system. For CLO 1, I unit tested my get moisture voltage method, converting Fermata analog readings into voltage. Using a simulated pin class and initializing my system with @before, I tested one case, 50 random cases, edge cases, and error conditions. Normal operation unit tests are performed at the start of code execution. For CLO 2, initially all methods were in the main class, using repetitive Fermata-based code. Then I defined a simple I/O device interface with connect, disconnect, and add pin methods. An Arduino class was made to implement these methods, while the plant watering system class extends Arduino through inheritance. Methods are polymorphed with @override to add new behavior before the superclass method is called, reducing duplication and simplifying Arduino connection. For CLO 3, I used Fermata 4J and standard draw through Java import. Fermata allows connection to the Grow Beginner kit, supporting the I2C OLED display, analog readings, and digital control, allowing a method to display the soil moisture system state and relay values for pump operation. Standard draw was used to plot a live voltage versus time graph with the dry and saturated thresholds. Standard draw's double buffering allowed for smoother updates, using point and line draw to create a dotted graph for recent readings. For CLO 4, the Arduino task class stores time and moisture voltage readings in array lists using the .add method every second. These values are later accessed using a for loop, .size, and .get method, all built into array lists. For CLO 5, my plant watering system functions as a state machine shown in the simplified flowchart. Every second the state of a button flag is read, that is updated through an event listener's onPinChange method, while the line finder readings are compared to previous readings using data hiding in the plant watering system class. If a change is read, the system is stopped, otherwise it remains in a saturated state, comparing soil voltages to the dry threshold every 60 seconds. If exceeded, the pump activates for 5 seconds before turning to a saturated state and repeating the timer task. For CLO 6, my overridden @pin method passed null values in an array to the superclass if pins were initialized in the child class, causing a null pointer exception. Using breakpoints to help, I added a temporary array list to store unadded component names, then transfer them into a same size array without null values.